Let's take a look today at the all-new MK Coach Lincoln Nautilus Legacy. This Lincoln Nautilus here comes equipped with the titanium sidewalls as well as the titanium headliner and the very nice bronze fusion floor. One really nice option this Hearse comes equipped with is the built-in manual rising urn carrier, and it simply comes up into place by adjusting this latch. You grab the two handles, presentation matters, so easily get your Hearse out a little bit more per month with this very nice manual rising urn carrier. Another great exterior feature with this Hearse here is the low door high view window. As you can see, the bottom of this window drops down, which allows you a nice view into the casket compartment, allowing you to view the urn and flowers when the manual rising urn carrier is in place. Here we have your church truck compartment, which is a closed church truck with the flip lid up top, so you can easily lay your church truck down or stand it upright. And off to the right, you also have your umbrella storage area. The driver compartment in this Lincoln Nautilus is very nice and easy to access. You have all of your gear controls up top here, as well as your engine start and stop. So it just takes a simple click of a button to change gears or turn off the car. One of the features that I love about this Lincoln Nautilus is that it comes equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which easily allows you to sync in your phone and display the Google Maps or Waze from your phone right onto your center console screen. You also have your thermostat controls as well as your heated seats, which with a simple click of a button will activate and can be turned off by 3 clicks, which will bring you back to 0. Another great feature in this Hearse here is the large backup camera, which allows you to see very nicely all around the rear of this Hearse, and you also have a gauge which will let you know how close an object is to the rear of your Hearse. If you'd like any more information on this coach or any of the other vehicles that we currently have in stock, please feel free to give us a call at 1-800-229-5008 or visit us online at parksuperior.com.